Aditya Dubey pipped Tanish by the narrowest of margins. There was very little between the two of them. Now the boys group 2 have come to do battle in the 200 meters breaststroke and expect a record. That is at least what Swadesh Mondal had promised all of us in the morning. But like I said, the weather is quite unkind, and let's wait and watch what this champion has to do. He had broken his last year's record by nearly 10 seconds this morning. His record now stands at 2 minutes 28.68, and Swadesh will be swinging in lane number 4. And I can assure you this will be a one-horse race. The rest of the pack will be battling for the second, third position. Swadesh is 8 seconds ahead of the second placed Kalp Bora of Karnataka. Swadesh represents Bengal, and Swadesh trains at the Sai Glenmark Training Center in Delhi under the watchful eyes of Partha Pratim Majumdar, who's doing a remarkable job producing champions galore. Off they go for the 200 meters breaststroke. The interest in this race is whether Swadesh Mondal will stop the clock in record time. Will he get better than what he did in the heats is the big question everybody will be asking. His grabbing the gold medal is a foregone conclusion. Such has been his domination ever since he started participating in the age group aquatic championships. Humble to a fault. Record breaking seems to be, he's one of those swimmers who does not hold back for the finals. He has been consistently breaking records. Yesterday he did it in the 400 IM, the grueling 400 IM. He broke the record in the heats and went one better in the finals. Here he may do just that in the 200 meters breaststroke, but like I said, the weather is not great. Let's find out if he can sustain. He's well rested for sure. Swadesh Mondal going great guns as he approaches the 100-meter mark, and this is a very, very fast split, I can assure you. I'll give you a split in a moment. It's 1:10. 1:10 is his split at the 100-meter mark. It's extremely fast, and the record stands at 2 minutes 28. I think it's in grave danger of being obliterated. Swadesh will smash his own record if he continues in the same vein, continuing his rich vein of form, and well and truly on his way to picking up his third gold medal. He got the record in the 50 breaststroke and 400 IM yesterday, and this could be his third record-breaking gold medal winning performance. And the battle for the third position is actually hotting up. Second, firmly ensconced in the second position, is Kalp Bora of Karnataka. But the rest of the field is catching up. Watch lane number 7. Swimming extremely fast in lane number 7 is Bhavya Bodha of Gujarat. Watch Swadesh. It's a one-man show. What a show this champion from Bengal has put up. Brooking no opposition whatsoever. He still has 23 seconds. Now he has just 21 seconds to break his record. Will he get his record is the big question. It's a near thing. It's a close thing. He is going great guns, showing no signs of fatigue. 2:17, 2:18, 2:19, 2:20. The record for sure will be broken, and how? What Swadesh Mondal. What a performance this has been. By 2 seconds, ladies and gentlemen, he's broken his record, his own record, set in the heats by nearly 3 seconds. It was 2:28. He's clocked 2:25. And what the battle for the second position? Lane 5. Only just. Lane 5 pips. Lane 1. Lane 1 picks up the bronze medal with a superb finish. Lane number 5. Kalp Bora justifies his billing and takes the silver medal, the champion from Karnataka. And lane number 1, Adit Oliti of Karnataka, takes the bronze medal with a fantastic finish. But the boy wonder from Bengal, who trains at Delhi's Sai Glenmark Training Center, Swadesh